Hey guys, this is Justin from the Geek Life, and today I'll be reviewing the Aula F2012, an insanely cheap RGB mechanical keyboard that costs, get this, less than $25 US. So without further ado, let's get started. So out of the box, let's take a look at the keyboard. The model that I have here is the 10 keyless model, which means it does not come with a number pad. The keyboard feels heavy and solid and uses an aluminium base plate with a nice chamfered edge, which gives it a kind of a premium feel. So this model is a wired keyboard, and unfortunately the wire is not braided, but it does look sturdy enough with a Aula design on the USB head, which gives it the extra flair. On the back, we have two kickstands that allow you to prop it up in case you want to do so. Now onto the keys itself. The keyboard uses blue switch keys, which by characteristics are clicky, feel heavy and tactile, and are loud. The blue switch keys used here aren't Cherry brand blue switches, but they're not too bad. All the keys were quite responsive and did not require much effort to register. Installing this keyboard is easy, and it's a plug and play solution. So once you plug it in to your USB port, the drivers will auto install and you'll be using it in a matter of minutes. As for the RGB backlighting, you can see that each row of keys has a different color, and you can configure lighting effects of this with the use of the function key included in the keyboard. Here are the different lighting effects you can set. In summary, this is a great value for the price you're paying, and is an affordable price point if you'd like to find out what the buzz on mechanical keyboards are all about. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please check out our other videos, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and we'll try our best to bring you more of such videos.